Hello dear friends, in this video I will explain why animated titles and lower thirds are very powerful for using in Photoshop for your designs, for social media for example. It's They are very flexible, all ready animated packs you can view on my website mikesurda.com. You can see preview animation, and lower thirds. Okay, let's start. I'm start from what we can do with these titles and lower thirds, how we can change it, and what we can do with duration of the animation. I have my image for example, and I want to add lower third, and first of all we need to create a video timeline. Okay, in each pack we have 5 titles or 5 lower thirds, and as we can see we can scale up each animated preset, and let add some animated lower third to my image. Just select and drag into this animation. Okay, cool. We can scale up this, just for example. Okay, and as you can see in my description on my website, we can change layers and change animation speed. Of course, all layers are editable and we can change as we want. And I won't change, of course, my name and surname. Just double click on smart object. Let's change example Kate. Save smart object and close, and some, just for example, click save and close, and if you didn't see text, we can create any layer, create fill, and after we can see our text, creative director. Okay, cool. After that, turn off our background layer, click save and close, and we can change animation speed. Each animated layer have keyframes. We can select, drag, and or left side or right side as you want, as you wish. And if you want change duration of the keyframes, select all keyframes, hold Option on Mac or Control on Windows, and we can change. Cool. And we can change our background layer. Save and close. Save and close. Okay. We have image with animated lower third. I will show you how we can create in the mockup. As we know, of course, we need to create a video timeline again. Go to my design, and we need to create video timeline again. Image. After that, go to lower third. I want to use, for example, this template. Okay, I can scale up. Go to inside, and I want to change my name. Kate me, and senior designer. Okay, save and close. Save and close. Okay. Save and close. Go to our mockup, iPhone mockup, and play our animation. We need some time for Photoshop to write cache. As you can see, it's very easy to work with these animated packs, modern titles, and lower thirds. Of course, you can visit my website and see all available animated packs for Photoshop. Okay, and finally, very cool thing, very cool tip that we can apply, for example, skew effect or distort. Anyway, a little bit. Okay, and play the animation. Okay. And we need to add some mask for better visibility, our animated titles. Like this. Okay. Play again. Okay. It's very cool. I'm sure that these packs will be very useful and help you create animated designs very quick and easy. Okay, thanks for watching and enjoy.